Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to talk about how to invest money in stock and earn money in return. So all you just need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end and learn how you can invest your money in stocks and earn money in return. It's very important, but I want you to understand here, it's not a get rich quick system. This requires strategy and time to make money with investing in stock and commodities. So all you just need to do, keep on watching. Let me show you the application that we are going to use on this video today. Before we start this strategy, what you have to do is to go do a proper research on any application or software or tools or website that you want to use or start using to invest in companies or stocks and anything at all. Do your own proper research is very important before you take any action in any investment. So the application we are going to use is called Trading 212. So the first thing you have to do is to click the first link below this video and it's going to take you to Trading 212. So once your Trading 212 application open, what you have to do is to register your own account. It's very simple what they are going to ask you. So to register, they will ask for your first name, last name, your date of birth, your tax ID, and they will ask for your national ID or passport to verify your on account. So once you have entered all those information and their requirement, then you are good to go. So once you have done all these other things, you will receive a confirmation email letting you know that you have successfully created your Trading 212 account. So once you have your account, go and log into your own account and follow this step-by-step guide that I'm going to show you on this video. So I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can use to make money with this application, which is called Trading 212. So the first thing we have to do is to log into my own application. So let me go to my own account now. So once your Trading 212 application open, you'll find a lot of companies, which is stocks that you can invest your money on. If you click on global here, global markets, you will see like dollars, euros, gold, silver, and etc. etc. You see a lot of countries and their currencies here. But when we click on the most owned, what you can see here is that you will see Tesla, Apple, Vanguard, Amazon, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Google, Meta. You see Neo and you see Coca-Cola. Yeah, so that is the stocks that is available on this Trading 212 app, and I have a bunch of stocks that you can invest your money on. So what you have to do is to look at the stocks that you know that is good to invest your money on. That is why I said you should go and do your proper research to see if you want to invest your money in like Netflix or Coca-Cola or Starbucks. All these whole stocks are assets that you can invest your money on. Let us say we want to invest in Tesla. What we have to do is to click on Tesla here and it's going to pop up. What I usually look is their stocks dropping or is going up. So we can see that the stock have dropped up to 0.73%, and you can still look at the profit and the loss of Tesla. So that is one thing I want you to pay attention to. And you can look the duration in the last 2 months, in the last 2 weeks, in the last 3 months, in the last 6 months, in the last 1 year, what have happened to this company. So this will really help you to get the understanding of the company that you are trying to invest your money on. And if you scroll down here, you can go and look at the market cap of this company, which is called Tesla. So if you scroll down here, you can look a part where it said P ratio, and at the bottom you will see market cap, which is $598.45 billion. That is the amount of Tesla market cap currently right now. So that is one thing I want you to understand here. And what you really need to look at too is the dividend, the money you get out of the interest of what you earn. So that is the things I want you to pay attention to. So if you are getting interest in dividend, for me, this will be a good stock that I can invest my own money on. So that is one thing I want you to understand here. So now that you know all those things, let us say we want to buy a share of Tesla. What we have to do is to look at the price of Tesla now. So I usually buy a stock when the price is down. So when the price is up, I will not buy at that moment. I look at when the price is coming down and I will quickly buy because I believe that the company is going to rise up again. So you can see that the price of Tesla have dropped. Currently right now that the price of Tesla is $187.15 currently right now. So that is one thing I want you to pay attention to when you are investing in stocks. So let us want to buy it now. All I need to do here is to click on buy, and once I click on buy, it's going to pop this up. All I just need to do is to click here, and I will click on this part and I will type in $187.15. So once I click on that, and I will click on done, and it's going to take me to the part where I'm going to review this order, which is deposit money into my trading 212 account and pay the money, and I will now have a share of Tesla. So that is one thing I want you to do here. So it's very simple. I hope you get the understanding of what I'm talking about. So I will go back again here, and one thing I didn't talk about is how much you are getting per a share, which is the EPS, earning per a share. So what this means is that if you invest $100, this is the amount you are going to be getting from that $100 you invested in that company. So more you invest, more shares, more you'll be in a chance of accumulating more money. So I just want you to understand this, and I like what I said, look at what you are getting for you investing on this company, and still look out what you get as out of the investment you did, which is called the dividend. So that is one thing you need to pay attention to. So I have go back. Let us say, for example, I want to invest in a company like Apple. I think Apple have a dividend. All I just need to do is to click on Apple here. Once I click on Apple, it's going to open. So once it opens, you will see the price of Apple, which is currently right now is 185 US dollars and 11 cents. So if I want to buy it now, all I just need to do is to click on buy, and once I click on buy, it's going to take us to this part. We are going to just do it just like we did on Tesla, and we are going to place the order. And once the market of Apple is open, then our share will be launched, and we will start accumulating money either by daily, weekly, depending on the policy and the terms that Apple set that they are going to be paying their investors. So that is one thing I want you to pay attention to here. So you understand now how you can buy share on this application, which is called Trading 212. Let us say you want to sell your share. It's very simple too. So what you just need to do, click on that particular share that you want to sell. Let us say, for example, want to sell Apple. I will just click on Apple again, and it's going to open up. All we just need to do is to click on the part where it said sell. So once I click on sell here, it's going to show me the total amount I have invested on my Apple account, and it's going to be letting me know if I want to sell all of them, which is withdrawing the money into my Trading 212 wallet, and from my Trading 212 wallet, I can now cash the money into my bank account or use it to do whatsoever I want. So that is how you can withdraw your money. So once I enter the total amount here, I click on order review, and it's going to tell me how much I'm going to pay for a fee, and that is all I just have to do. So I hope you get the understanding. It's very, very simple as ABC. So now that you understand how you can withdraw your money and how you can deposit money into this platform, let us go back again. Let me talk about something that is very, very important. One thing I want you to be looking at is the company that you invest your money on. So you have to be tracking this company to see what is going on every single day. Just open that your investment account and look at what is happening to the company that you invested your money on, and where they are today, and their profit and their loss. This will help you to get the understanding of how the company is moving, and when they are losing and when they are gaining. So every single day, if you set a track record, it will give you the confidence of investing more money on the platform. That is one thing I want you to understand here. The second way that you can use to make money on this application, which is called Trading 212, what you have to do is to move to this, click on this three dot icon. So once you click on this three dot icon, you will see a part where it said earn interest on cash. So once I click on earn interest on cash, what is happening here is that the money you deposit into your Trading 212 account if you did not invest those money in share stocks or commodities, you are going to be earning interest from the currency that you invested your money into. Let us say, for example, you invest in euros, you are going to be earning 4.20% every single day. So this is what you are going to be getting every single day. And let us say, for example, this every single day is something that we are going that is going to come up with the calculation at the end of the year. So it's not just like every single day you are making 4% from that $100 or that $1,000 invested. This is the money you get for investing a particular amount of money at the end of the year. So this, which is the APY, annual percentage yield. That is one thing I want you to understand here. Let us say I invest in US dollar. You can see that if I invest $100 in US dollar, I'm going to get APY of 5.10% every single year. So that is one thing I want you to understand here. Or let us say I invest in pounds. I just click on pounds here. I'm going to be getting APY of 5% in pounds. So that is one thing I want you to understand here. So what you have to do your own proper research and see if you trust this company that you can leave your money in their account or in their platform, earn interest for the money that is just sitting on your bank account. But you know that on your local bank, you are not even getting interest when your money is sitting on your local bank account. But on this application, which is called Trading 212, you can make money by you just leaving your money to sit on this platform, which is called Trading 212. So that is the second way that you can use to make money online. What I recommend that you should do before you invest or leave your money in this platform, just look at what you are putting your money into. It's very, very important, because I don't want you to put your money because I said it. Do your own proper research and see if it's a company that you can leave your money on to earn interest in return. And another way that you can use to make money with this platform, which is called Trading 212, you can make money again by any interest from your own investment in your shares. So you can earn interest from the shares that you invested on this application, which is called Trading 212. But it's not all share company have this strategy or have this method to earn interest from the money that you have invested, but you earn interest by you out of what you get from the investment policy. You are going to still earn money but for them to loan this your invested money out to other people, so they invest your money multiple times to different people. So how to do this? Click on this three dot icon and you will toggle up. You will see at the top here, you will see a part where it's saying earn interest on shares. So on this part where it said earn interest on shares, if you click on it, it's going to open up. So what you are going to be seeing here is the balance of what you have got in the last month, the last 2 months, the last 3 months. That is the analysis of overview of what you are seeing here. And as you can see, I have invested in two companies, which is Neo and Medical Properties Trust. This is the two companies that I have invested my money on. So that is one thing I want you to understand here. And to invest your money, all you just need to do is to click on the part here it said most borrow. This part here it said most borrow. This is where you find companies that you can invest money on and earn interest for them to borrow this your money out again times 2. So you are earning interest by just doing that. You can see that this company, which is called Neo, is going to pay me 0.12 APY. And if you come down here, this company, which is called Share, is going to pay 0.34 APY. So you can see this company, which is called Main Street Capital, is going to pay you 1.59 APY. So all these are interest you get for them to reinvest your investment again. So, but one thing I see here is that I don't want you to do this. I don't want you to use this method, because this is a method that will make you to lose all your money at the end of the day. So you cannot just invest your money times 2, and at the end of the day, if you lost it, you are not going to make any money in return. So it's better you focus on one. That is just me recommending this, but for you, you can decide what you want. And what is still good is that you can toggle this strategy or this method off or on. As you can see, I toggle it on. That is why you can see how much I am making from those companies that I have invested my money on. But if I don't want this method again, all I just need to do is to go to the application and toggle this method off, and I will not earn interest again from my share. So that is how this method work. I hope you get the understanding and how they work. And that is the three ways that I said that I'm going to show you on how you can make money with this strategy. So I hope you get the full understanding of how you can invest money in stocks and earn interest in return. So I will say thank you very much, guys. And if you want to learn how you can make money online by using Revolut app to make money online, you can watch this video here. And if you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate program, you can watch the second video below. I'll say thank you very much, guys. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment in the comment section below.